In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Koinobori fish flags here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you need to make your way essentially over to May's house in order to do this. This is going to be kind of directly above Tokyo City. If you filter by the map region itself, it's technically in Otani. But essentially, go to make your way over to May's house. And as you're driving towards May's house right here, you'll see the fish right up in this location right here. Now, here's the thing. These only pop up for the spring season. If there's no spring season in the game, you can play a challenge in order to do this. Essentially, you need to pause the game, you need to go over to Creative Hub, and then you need to go to the Event Lab, and then go specifically into Play Challenges, and then search specifically for a challenge, and then for the share code, essentially, the code that you're going to want to type in is 142197341. Hit enter, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Go ahead and select that. Open this up, and then of course it's going to reload you. This is courtesy of Bodon Smolin up here, so shout out to this guy. But as you can see right there, you're going to have those fish flags essentially just hanging right there. Go ahead and take a picture of them by opening up photo mode, and then boom, we'll get a nice looking picture just like so. That's the full process. It really is that simple. Kind of annoying that these were in here just for spring, but it adds to the authenticity of the Japan region. But that's it. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.